so tired right now, so tired. Okay, so completely approached this problem wrong. So I know how to solve it now, and I'll just code it and explain it as I go along to help myself with understanding and, you know, and whatever else. So the first thing is I'll do find max length. Okay, I don't need that. So what I have here is I'm going to create a stack, initialize a stack, and for kind of nums, I'm going to iterate through. And actually, wait, I don't want to create a stack. I want to create a dictionary. A dictionary, okay. Okay, so create a dictionary, or a hash map or whatever. And then what I'm going to do is, okay, hold up. I'm going to get here, aren't I? Okay, we'll see. If nums, oh, not nums, but right, so I need to keep track of longest, longest equals 0 initially, and the sum, I need to know the sum. Sums equals 0. So to be able to do this, what we'll have here is basically we're gonna if we see a 1, we'll increment. So I'll do if nums of I is equal to 1, you do sums plus or equal to 1, else you do sums minus or equal to 1. And then you do if so for the first one, the first value, it will be either a 1, wait a second, maybe I messed this up. So my first value will always be, if it's a 1, we'll add 1, right? And then we'll add it to the dictionary, because it doesn't exist in the dictionary. We'll say that 1 corresponds to an index of 0. Yeah. So say if nums, no, not nums, if sums not in dic, then you want to do dic sums equals whatever the index value is. That's pretty simple. Else you want to, if sum isn't dictionary, you want to compute what do I want to compute? Length subarray. If it isn't, length of subarray will be current I minus the index of the original sums. This is if sums is already in a dictionary. And then we'll always do the longest, we'll update the longest at the end of each call, and we'll update it based on the max between length of subarray and the previous longest. And then ultimately you want to return longest, and I think length of subarray I need to initialize at 0 as well, which isn't really going to matter because, you know, it will change in here. So we'll just run this. So I mean, it worked for this. See how it worked for this one as well. It should work for 2. Ooh. What? Right, because I'm missing a case. If sum's not in dict, else elif. So first you choose elif sums equal to 0. You want to do following, else you want to do this. Now if sum is equal to 0, you want to set length of subarray equal to should I just initialize length of subarray be 0 each time? I think so. I think it'll be okay. Yeah. And then length of subarray will be equal to I plus 1. It's just the current index plus 1. Now this will probably work. No, what? Okay, print I. And then, yeah, print I. We're going to see what I is equal to. So I is equal, what? Oh, it's not even running this. That means let's print sums first. Code. So we start out as 0, right? And then we go to -1. Oh, I was afraid of this case. What if you start out as a 0 and it decides, you know, I'm going to do -1 or whatever. Okay. But even with that, it should sums, it should have added to it. Yeah, so it's 0. Oh, I see the problem. So I need to do if sums equal to 0 first. Then length of subarray is I plus 1. It takes precedence. And if sums not in dict, elif sums not in dict, and then else you do this. If it's in the dictionary. Okay, it does return 2. Okay, cool. So this is a really bad video. I'm super tired right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm barely awake. I'm just trying to continue to have energy. But yeah, okay, so this looks like it works. I'm gonna submit it to see what will happen. Oh, I should have done some test cases where I had 1, 1 or something. But yeah, okay, it worked. So that's it. That's good.